In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate Google Cloud so you can move from the free trial phase into a fully active account. We'll go step by step on what to click and what to look for on the screen, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to complete the activation with a payment. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and that you've already created a Google Cloud account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Google Cloud dashboard. This is your main home base where you can see your projects, services, and current status. If you don't see the dashboard right away, look for the option labeled Dashboard or Home in the main navigation menu on the left and click it. On the dashboard, your goal is to find the free trial status indicator. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen and is often represented by a small gift icon. This icon is tied to your free trial credits and trial status. Move your mouse to that top right area and look for that gift symbol. When you find it, click on it. As soon as you click the free trial status or gift icon, a panel will slide down from the top of the page. This panel shows information about your current trial, including any remaining credits and how many days you have left. It may also give you a quick summary of what happens when the trial ends. Take a brief moment to glance over that information so you understand where you are in the trial period. Inside this panel, you'll see an option that says Make a Payment. This is the key action that begins the process of activating your Google Cloud account beyond the free trial. Go ahead and click Make a Payment. If you already added a payment method when you first signed up, you may see it here. If not, Google will prompt you to add a payment method such as a credit card or another supported option. After you click Make a Payment, you'll be taken to the payment section. This is sometimes labeled as the Billing or Payments tab, but you should see that you're now on a dedicated payment screen. Here you can review the payment details, including the amount you're being charged and the payment method that will be used. It's a good idea to double check that your billing information is correct, including your country, address, and card details, so there are no issues processing the payment. Once everything looks correct in the Payment tab, look for the button labeled Pay Now. This is the final step to activate your Google Cloud account. Click Pay Now and give it a few moments to process. If the payment is successful, your free trial restrictions will be lifted and your account will be fully active. You should see confirmation on the screen, and your free trial banner or gift icon may disappear or change status to reflect the new billing setup. After that, you're ready to use Google Cloud without the limitations of the trial. You can start or continue using services, create more resources, and manage everything directly from the dashboard, now backed by your active billing account.